What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Not really welcome back because this is the first episode of John's Trading Journal. So, my name's Jonathan Sandoval, and I started this YouTube channel to document my journey to becoming a profitable trader. And I really want to take this a little bit more seriously. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide my channel into different segments, I guess you could say, playlists, right? So, in this episode, I'm just going to be going over the trades that I took during the week. I'm still under PDT. These episodes are going to range from 1 to 4 trades a week, and I don't really want to get into specifics with the charts. I really want to go over into the journaling process. What I was thinking, why I was thinking that, what I was feeling, why I was feeling that, and what I could do better to overcome it. If you've seen some of my past videos, I've always said that making these videos probably help me more than that they help you, because this is kind of my process of really going over my trades. So other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Not only am I starting my account from pretty much nothing, but I'm also starting my YouTube channel from nothing as well. So it takes me to grow my trading account, but it takes you guys to grow my YouTube account. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys can give me any likes, comments, or any new subscribers. Really appreciate it. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in there. Alright, so welcome in. Let's get to it. I don't want to waste your guys' time. I want these videos to be nice, short, and sweet, and then we'll leave the long form content to the monthly recaps. But fuck, I love talking, so let's see how well I can stick to my plan. Alright, well bam. Get this right here. Get this out of here. We're gonna drag this right here. Well bam. So this past week, which was Monday, February 14th to the 18th, I only took 2 trades. Now, what I'm gonna do is I actually want to do this. Let me do this for y'all. Boom, 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 boom. Let me get my face up in there too. All right, so this is what we gonna do. Yes, sir. All right, so check this out. So, the 14th, which was Monday, and then the 16th, which was Thursday, I believe. I'm under PDT, and I have a cash account, so I don't have much buying power, right? So I only took 2 trades this week. The first one I want to go over is going to be LCID. I was trading a breakout. I was trading this breakout. Okay, I know I got in early, so it's kind of like a breakout / dip buy. If it was a dip buy, it was a chase. If it was a breakout, it was early. But overall, my thesis was wrong. I was expecting this to go at least to 29, maybe 30. Why? This is an electric vehicle play. I wanted to swing this from I saw this up here the previous days at 27, and I was thinking of this as a potential swing. And risking 25. Now, mind you, I've never swung anything before, so this would be the first swing I've ever done. I'm not really into swinging. Still trying to practice seeing different, seeing different plays from what's a day trade to what's a swing to what's an intraday swing, so on and so forth. And I've been wanting to swing this. That morning I saw that it was at 25. I believe so, unless I woke up late. But this is about an hour in, so no, I did wake up early. Market opened this day, and I don't know why I didn't swing this. I was probably watching something else, right? So I ended up going in right here for like a dip buy / breakout, and it didn't break past 28.50, so I didn't go in, and I saw this trend change, so I ended up cutting my loss. That ended up being a good loss, right? So low paper cut, return of $7. Now, what I mean by journaling, John's Trading Journal, this is what I mean. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out here. By the way, this is TraderSync. If you guys want to use them, awesome. They cost like $30 a month for what I'm on. I don't get sponsored by them. This is just something that I use to track my trades. Okay. Let's go to journal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to journal live for you guys. Now, the next videos, the next episodes that are going to come out for John's Trading Journal, all of this will already be inputted. Because like I said, I don't want this to be long-form content. I want this to be short and strict to the point. But since this is the first, I kind of want to give you guys a little deep dive into it, right? So what I'm going to do here for this day is I'm going to do my notes. In this, I go into the nitty-gritty. I talk to myself. And I believe that this is really important for new traders, even for me, even for old traders. This is something that I've been taught, that I've been seeing throughout the community. And sometimes it's like, well, what do you mean, journal your trades? Like, do you journal your trades at the end of the day? How do I do that? What's that talk like? It's kind of like praying, right? No, I don't know if you guys grew up religiously or whatever, but it's like, how do you pray? How do you talk to God? What do you ask him for? Blah, blah, blah. It's kind of, that's kind of like this. Like, how do I talk to myself? What do I talk to myself about? What am I looking at? What do I say to myself? What don't I say to myself? So I just kind of want to give you guys a skeleton here. So LCID, I was originally looking for a swing and risking 25 because this is a hot sector play and has been holding 25 in multi-day. So now if you guys go to the daily chart of LCID, you'll see that the $25 range is holding as support. So I was originally looking this for a swing and risking $25 because this is a hot sector play, electrical vehicles, EV. So when I go back and I forget or whatever, I know it's an electric vehicle hot sector play, and it's been holding 25 in multi-day. This was this was right above 25 this morning, and I missed it. Ended up chasing and expecting it to go higher even after it ran. Yes, it did go up more, but not to your original price target. This one I'm iffy on, because yes, it was green, and yes, it did go up, but it didn't go up to my price target. It was kind of a chase, kind of, sort of. I ended up green, and I saw where the trend ended, and that's exactly where it ended, and then I'm just going down from there. So I'm kind of in the middle between, like, this was a good trade, but this wasn't a good trade. It's kind of like right in the middle. Yes, it did go up more, but not to your original price target. Good job on cutting for a small win and seeing the trend change. So in this stock, I saw that it was going to go up more. It did, but it had resistance at 28.50. Hold numbers, you guys, 28.50 hold number, and then 25 support hold number, and then it ended up going down. So right now it's between, at least on that day, I haven't checked it yet. It's been a couple days, so I'm gonna need to check that. But that's kind of my thing for this one. And I know that it was a good trade. It wasn't a bad trade. It was like a C plus. It was like a C trade, A A plus, B plus, C plus. This was a C trade. If I'm giving it a grade, it'd be a C trade. So that's that. Well, bam, saved. Now this one I'm gonna go into DWAC. This one was just, I didn't want to get up this morning. I ended up getting up. My goal was just to freaking make money, go back to sleep, to be honest with you. I was being a lazy piece of shit this morning. And I chased this. Did well pre-market. It started well, so I ended up chasing it. And I went in. I went in large size, actually, because I just wanted to make money and get out. So I caught the top, and immediately when I got in, it just freaking tanked. At this point, I was down like $50, and it was like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, less than 5 minutes since I got in. I was down $50. Just woke up, didn't want to be in the trade. Yes, I was being stubborn. Did I know that it was gonna hold the previous day's highs? Absolutely not. Did not look at this. This was just a complete gamble. And I ended up bouncing fairly nicely, and I didn't take my gains because I wanted this to go up at least until 90, and that didn't happen. So I ended up cutting for a loss of $9. This is just a trade that shouldn't have happened, right? So now going into the journaling process, I'm gonna put in caps. This is a trade that shouldn't have happened. You were lazy in the morning and just wanted to make money and go back to sleep. Don't do this again. This was a trade that shouldn't have happened. You were lazy in the morning and just wanted to make money and go back to sleep. Don't do this again. And this is going to be in bold. Alright. So that's it. And real quick, just to end this off, I think that this is really important that I haven't seen anybody in the trading community talk about. Since I'm under the PDT, I can't make a trade after trade after trade, right? And since I have a cash margin account, I believe that's what it's called, a cash account, margin account, a cash account. Since I have a cash account and I don't have a lot of buying power, I only have a certain amount of buying power. So me, when I see this loss as a loss of $9, the buying power was, I believe, like $700 of my account. So yes, I lost $9, but I also lost $700 of buying power, which now means that I don't have that $700 of buying power for the next opportunity. Now I need to wait for my funds to settle and blah blah blah. Now, Jonathan, you could add money to your account. Yes, I can, but that's not the point. The point is that I made a dumb trade, and yes, I lost $9, but I also lost opportunity on the table, and I lost buying power. So I believe that this is why it's really important to be disciplined, emotionally disciplined, and financially disciplined, and physically disciplined, and not freaking clicking stuff, and mentally disciplined on what you trade. Easier said than done, something I need to work on 100%, but every time I do this, it just makes me more aware of what and where I need to be disciplined in. So thank you for coming to my John's Trading Journal first episode. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. If you guys like me doing it live, let me know. If you guys want this to be already set up when you guys come in, let me know. I think I like this so you guys can see things in real time, but your guys' choice. Actually, it's my choice, but I'll take your guys' opinion into consideration. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe, please comment, please like, and click the link below so you guys can see my blog, my Twitter, my Instagram, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next episode.